How to resize video in CapCut PC. So if you want to resize your video in your CapCut, then first open up your CapCut application on your PC or laptop. Once you've opened, go for create project and then import something. So you can drag that to the bottom, and here you will have your videos, right? So if you want to resize your video in your CapCut PC, then what you can do is simply select the video that you want to resize. So for example, I'll be choosing this one. And once you've selected the video that you want to resize, then you can go for this middle option. Here you will have your video, right? So you can simply click on that face, and then here you will have the dotted lines, right? So simply click on that dot which is on the corner of the screen, and here you will have your video. So simply enlarge it, or you can drag that anywhere and then you can adjust it as you like. So you need to simply click on the dot or the circle which is on the corner of the screen and simply drag that. So that's how you can resize your video in your CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.